Hi, this is Katil Roshan, and today we will be talking about Twitter marketing. So, if we talk about Twitter marketing, let's see what are the options available here, and if we have to manage the multiple account from multiple vendors, or you can say multiple company or multiple clients, so how we can do that. So, do watch the video till the end to know all the aspect of Twitter marketing, how you can do the marketing, how you can explore the Twitter, how you can do the competitor analysis in Twitter. So let's start the class, and you can see here Twitter, you need to first make account. Making an account is very easy. You can make account just like Facebook, and here you can see this is a Twitter, and most important thing in Twitter is the trending thing. So again, trending thing, how you can find, either you can go to the what's happening here, and you can scroll down here, and you can click on show more, and you can get all the trending topics whatever is happening and all. Or on the left hand side you can click on the explore option, and then you can click on each one of those, and you can find the trending topic like news, sports and all. And again, like if you go for you, so you can go and you can see here what is trending and all. And suppose if I have to change the place, like suppose if I'm doing for a client of Canada or Australia or South Africa, anywhere else, so I can go and I can change that. How to change that? Just click on explore, and then afterwards you will get this setting option. In this setting you can go here and you can change. So you can see I can go and I can change this back to India. So I can go and I can change this back to India, and again what will happen now, whatever I will get, that I will get for India. Similarly, if I have to change for any other, I can go and I can change that. So here you can see in the you can say trending topic, here you can say whatever is trending and all, that we can see for COVID-19, for normally what is trending and all. So Jaya Bachchan is trending, so you can click on this and you can see why Jaya Bachchan is trending. So here Twitter is an opinionated platform where people loves to give opinion about the topic. So again, whatever is trending, everyone's jump into that topic and they give. You can see here particularly. So again, it is a very good platform if you for those people who loves to give opinion, and if you want to know what is happening in the country and all, and what is trending, what people are talking about. So this is very good network to have. Now again, while we are seeing this trending topic, if you make content on the trending topic, it is more chances that you will your content will rank, and it might get retweeted, or it might get liked, or it might get a reply. So again, you will be getting most of the reach, and once you get most of the reach, so chances of growing of your Twitter profile increases. And in Twitter, just like you can say Facebook, where we have like, share, comments. So here we have, for comment we have replies, and for share we have retweet, and like is a like here particularly. So after this, like what you can do is, let's see how we can do the competitor analysis in Twitter. Suppose we are new to the Twitter, and suppose I have got a one client and I do not have any idea like how to go about my client postings and all. So for that, what I can do, I can do the competitor analysis. For example, suppose in competitor analysis, how I will do, I will go here and I will search here digital marketing. So when I search here digital marketing and I click enter, then afterwards here I can get lot of topic. So again, I will not be seeing this all topic. I will be clicking on, guys, on this three dots. So when I click on three dots, so you can see here advanced search setting is there. So again, I can click on advanced search setting, and I can search with the words, guys, with the phrase, and with any of the word, with none of these words. Like suppose I don't want any word in my searches, so I can mention that, and including the hashtag. So for example, suppose I am doing for the hashtag, like suppose digital marketing. So if I am doing for the hashtag digital marketing, then afterwards any language. And again, if I want to target any account, so suppose like I want to target the account of, so again any account like at the rate Ronaldo or at the rate Times of India or TOI, whatever I want to target, I can go and I can target that. So what will happen in that, guys, like Twitter will be targeting those account, and Twitter will try to show my content, or try to have like shows the content of that account particularly, and those who are having the hashtag digital marketing. Then again, if you scroll down, so again I have put here, you can say hashtag digital marketing, whoever is using, then I can go and I can see replies, link, minimum reply. So suppose like I am looking for minimum like 10, and again minimum retweet, I am not looking for retweet. Minimum reply also, if I want to fill, I can go and I can fill that. And again, suppose I want to check for all the posts that has been posted using hashtag digital marketing from the month of suppose October to the month of December. So again, like suppose October 1 to December, suppose for example 20 and year 2021. So again, what I have done here, guys, I have just posted here hashtag digital marketing. So I want to find out all the posts that has been tweeted with hashtag digital marketing in the month of October to December 2021, and again those who have got minimum 10 likes. Now after that I will click on search. So once I click on search, guys, so I can get here all the post that has been posted. So again I can see here and I can understand, okay, what kind of post, being a digital marketer, I have to be posting. Similarly, if I have to search for any other thing like dentist, or you can say digital marketing service, SEO service and all, so I can go and I can do that. So this is again a very good features of Twitter to do the research and to do the competitor analysis in Twitter. Now again, second thing in Twitter that you need to know is, if suppose if I am managing multiple accounts from Twitter, so how I can manage that. So again, like opening Twitter in multiple tabs and remembering the lot of user ID and password will be a hectic work. So for that, Twitter has a tool called TweetDeck. So you can go in Google and you can go with TweetDeck. You can go and you can go with, you can type TweetDeck, and once you type TweetDeck here, so you can click on that. So once you click on TweetDeck, so here you can add as many as columns. So if I remove this and I show you from the starting, so again, like here we can manage as many as account as we want, guys. Like suppose here I can go here and I can see this is my primary profile. So again, if I want account, so I can add as many as account as I want, guys, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever number I want, I can go and I can add that. So here I can click on add column, and suppose I want home. So again, home for which account I want. Suppose I have 10 accounts, so I can select among those. So I can click on add column, and then afterwards, suppose again I want add column. Again I want like set suppose home, and I want home for this. So again I can go and I can have just like this. I can go and I can add as many as I want. So again, if I want any other thing to add, like suppose trending, so I can go and I can add. So by default, trending for my primary account will come. So again, if I want to click, see, I do not have to go to a new tab and all, it will open here only. So this again allow you to manage multiple account with ease. So this is how easily, guys, you can do the Twitter marketing. And Twitter, always remember, it is for opinionated people. So if your company like you want to check for your reputation among people and all, then you must have a Twitter account, so that you can know what people are talking and all that. And again, apart from this, like Twitter is like it allows 280 characters. So when you go and you tweet anything, so again it allows 280 character including the hashtag. And when you are using, you can schedule your tweet using this TweetDeck tool. You can click on tweet, and here you can write whatever you want to write, and then afterwards you can schedule your tweet. You can add the images and all, and you can schedule. So you can schedule for all the accounts, whatever account that you want particularly. So this is again a very good tool to use in Twitter. So that's all For today, see you in the next class, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, and don't forget to share it with other people who need to understand what Twitter is. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. See you in the next video.